Hi Asad, this is Biplavi speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. I started my work at 9 a.m. in the morning, and I check it all my email and also rental channel, beta team also, and communicate with you also. And today we have a good meeting. That was fine for us and also me. So I am work today. There is a new supplier that is Norton. It was huge. I have got actually huge product from them, and near about maybe 600 product I have got after all the product research done. Then I finally got near about 60 product, and I have done FBA and FBM product also, and I set it on my rental sheet, and I have not actually not good product also, and this is my product, please check it here. And I also work on process sheet. Today I set one video on step 4, and I make it for one, and I have to make another video for this this site. So tomorrow maybe I will do that, or will be next, and I will also check my MX bill. The one bill is remain also. I check my KG ad also, and reply some new one, and also rental channel I have got a bill from Lee, and I set it on here also in the comments, and that's all. This is my work actually today's. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.